Alrighty then, mic check. Let me know if you guys can hear me, and we'll get to it here this afternoon. Make sure and smash that like button. And don't forget, we got to get to 50 likes in the first 15 minutes if we want to see the entire session. All right, so let's reset the coins for the afternoon here. Let's take a look at the lowest time frame where all the fun is going to occur. Yes, we accurately predicted once again that today was going to be the continued grinder style day. And how did we do it? Oh, here is your... I don't know if I feel like I want to say nasty, but is it really? I mean, she really gave us the gift this morning to let us know. Let's go here to the bottom left. That we saw the clustering on the lowest time frames, which means higher time frames are going to come into play. We're going to have big moves, big exaggerated moves. Not as easy to catch your traps on alpha omegas, where normally an alpha omega literally is designed to be called the beginning and the end, which oftentimes you see one of them fire off and it is the beginning or the ending of a move. But on a day where you're getting clustering all over the place, that is the exception, where all of a sudden that gets flipped upside down and things become a little bit more difficult. Things move a little bit farther than anticipated, like this one, even with a 15.2 alpha omega and then an enigma behind it. You got the super enigma here. It's debatable whether you say that this made the up move or not, but it literally had to take a good amount of heat. How much heat was that? That's not too much heat, I guess. 23 ticks of heat to the downside move before the upside move of 88 some odd ticks. Not too bad, not too shabby. Headshot calls the high. Headshot down to a Shark HMD 49. A lot of kind of easy plays here, looks like, in the 1 o'clock hour. This is about 1:20 to right now coming up on 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock just came on right now. So top of the hour, 2 o'clock. What's up, Mr. Man of Gold? Definitely want to, let's see, let's get the chat here real quick on the screens. So, I'll repeat again, not my favorite types of days to trade, but can I trade them? Yes. Would I rather not? Yes. There are easier, faster days than this. It's debatable, though, if you think about it. Like, it gives you a lot of time to think about the plays, getting on sides, waiting till the color shift change on the MACV Ultimate, and then riding it, right? So we got the, right up here, you got the green down to red, and then we stay on red. Kind of easy. All right, let's get to it here. 2:01 this afternoon. Gonna look for 5 trade setups. Looking for a winner chicken dinner. Want to get 2 winners, enough to put a chicken dinner on the table, and then anything beyond that is bonus. You guys got questions, go ahead and pop them there in the chat. It's going to be likely slower, so I should have time to respond a bit more here today to questions if you guys want to bring them in. Kind of treat it like a bit of a mentorship Monday. Got a double dot long here. Let's see if this gets respected here. We are technically on the red side right now. We are moderate sell, so I'd like to see a break of that and get back on sides short. It's going to let me. Yep. All right, there's a crack of the dot here, so I'll take this as a piercer short. Not going to get too heavy on it, but half position short there on a piercer play. We are piercing the green dot. We've got room down to the shark back, which would, if I get a measurement on that to the back, it's not quite 10 ticks, unfortunately. But might be able to grab the first bag here. There we go, to the shark back. I'll add to it as we pop back up, assuming we might get a little bit more out of it, as it did go ahead and give me the push. And again, just playing this day like the clustering day that it is, where scenarios that are in opposition to the color, they do not hold. There we go. Now we're strong sell. So we got all 4 of the correlated instruments to the short side on a piercer play to the back of a shark here. Let's see if it's caught me greedy. Good to see you, Mr. Canfield. Happy to see you, Mr. Thompson. Hey, Greg. Good to have you back, sir. Hope you enjoyed the Thanksgiving holiday. Okay, coming off of strong sell to moderate sell. And yikes, all the way back to neutral, going to kill it for the first play as a loser. There, basically kind of turned it into a loser because I didn't want to take my 10 ticks there. It looked like a spot where we could start the traversing. These things tend to go and go and go on the cluster day, but first one is a no-go. Kind of a weaker play there, taking a piercer. If it had continued on, you know, great. If it doesn't, it's all right. Have I mentioned I hate kind of playing on these days? Just the normal stuff just tends to not work. Although that one worked really well. It's a nice shark back, but see how it even like it pierced through even to the back of the shark right there. Like it just make every play is harder on a day with all the clustering. If you have a day without the clustering, things are sharp and they're quick and they're, in my opinion, easier.
DCDMNQ on the 3.
So very nice trap formation there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not even a perfect 4-legged dog trap. Hard to read because it's actually 5-leg. It's weird, right? And then there's the doggy head, but ends up being 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.5. 5.5.
DCDM on the 1.
It's a little bit tricky there. All right, so I'll try this on a double. We'll go for a DCDM here. Target up there at 45.011s for the target. DCDM for trade number 2 here this afternoon. Don't like that we're sitting at neutral. Hopefully that pops up into buy side, which would be cool because that technically would be the shift color. We break below that box. That's our general stop out for DCDM. So I will peel half if we come out of that box. Okay, coming out of the box. All right. Ooh. Let's see if we're going to have to close up the whole thing. Still sitting in neutral.
DCDMEM on the 1.
Okay. Last spot, last call for alcohol. Is it going to pop? Are we going to get the pop up here? We're still sitting in neutral. I've got NQ still riding up on my 1 AO play. It's just so weird. Like, why is NQ continuing? We're going and going, and I'm sitting here waiting on the Dow to get with the program. We have things lifting off, and the Dow is just like, I don't think so. I'm not going. All right, I'll take it there at 40 ticks on that move on NQ, but what is going to happen right here on the Dow? All right, I'm just going to kill it. I don't know what's going on there. This is what I hate about the grinder days. We're sitting in neutral. We get good plays in some areas, and others it just takes forever. I should be playing NQ in the afternoons. Totally forgot about that. The question was, is the afternoon generally slower? I mean, are you brand new to trading? Of course, the afternoon is slower than the morning. I mean, if you're talking about comparing it to what? I'm assuming you're meaning the morning. And of course, the afternoon is slower, bro. Do you watch any of the video trainings, or you just wing it? You ask me questions, I'm asking you questions. Answer the question. Because it doesn't sound like you watch the videos or go through training. Okay, back to sell side. All right, let's see if this one is going to give me a piercer crack or if this one's going to hold. We are on red side, so want to get a short opportunity in here. NQ is looking like a juicier place for a trap. I'm going to get short on NQ instead of the Dow here. Make sure you pull the stubble out of your hair. Yeah, no kidding. Let me see. Maybe I put this up on the higher area here to see. I'll put this up here on top. I'm going to set right click, always on top. And so this is right up underneath the open. And if they're going to keep it in the negative on the day, we're on a Thursday. This is the instrument that has been clustering. So let's see. I've got an easy stop area here above the red cross. Let me go up to the top left. Oops, wrong button. Top left. All right, so stops are, well, and it just runs to my stop right there. So I'm going to go ahead and kill it. That's lovely. So that's 3 losers in a row here on a day that I normally just would not even want to come out here and trade at all. So, yay. Fun times. Not so much. All right, back to looking at what I was already looking at. So the re-entry with that would be below those 2 crosses. This moved up quickly, so if it's fast, it's not going to last, as I say all the time. So I do have a feeling like that could make a pivot turn any moment. Back to neutral now. Isn't that lovely? So we've got the nerds kind of out of sync here. See what the last enigmas have told us. So that was a 10.2. It was the best play of the afternoon. 115 for the big dropout short. I wasn't around for that one. That was a nice headshot short there. and oy vey. Let's see. So re-entry on the double cross double move up here. We've got another cross back behind it. Let's get the measure on that. That will be, it's 35 ticks from the entry. We come into it. Could be a decent play there coming through the crosses. We are now moderate buy side, so this is the time to get to the long side if we end up getting to a strong buy scenario. Okay, here's 2:25, so 5 minutes till the bottom of the hour. We are flat as flat can be on the fiddle zone. Last time was a play, it's 10 a.m. and then outside of it was 10:30. We had one at 12:30 and 1:30 inside the 2 block. Playing in the mess and gave back the profits on the day there so far. Good idea, Dork. Appreciate that. Let's do that. Let's see. Where's the last set of ready ups? There's nothing to give us that either on these type of days. Just a wash. So let's look at that NQ from earlier. Yeah, see, it came up fast. I said, it's not gonna last, and yeah, it came back down, but too hard to. I had gotten too heavy on that because in the level of play there, have to play off of your risk as well. Okay, we are on moderate buy, and this is a 12.5 on NQ. I'll go half a position on it for the return. Currently moderate buy. Hopefully don't flip back to neutral. And nope, pushing through that cross like a boss. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's a 4 LDT potential here on that 12.5 on the NQ. Let's see what it wants to do here. $13.3 into neutral coming from buy. Double cross, and let's see, what's our situation? Man, we are, I don't know, it's hard to read. Double cross, bottom of a zone. Should be, could be, but not sitting in a great position here. All right, I'm going to kill that one. So yeah, the first cross turns into double cross, and we continue on and on and on. The no capacity to take normal play setups continues. All right, back to red. So first opportunity to start looking for the short side setups in a grinder day. The extensions of extensions of extensions. Let's see. So if we're measuring a double cross double move, that is F8 to there. We have space below us. I will get short on a full position to the gold line target down below. And the space below that is, it's 19 ticks. So potential 20 tick area there. Stop area would be above the big cross right here.
Double delta EM on the 1.
Ready up, add to position. Back to my point of entry. Break of the cipher.
Double delta EM on the 1.
Ready up. And we've neutralized. That's awesome. That's just that's amazing. That's just I don't think I've made a mention enough that I really love these kind of days. I absolutely love playing these days. Have I mentioned that? I don't think I turned it off today. All right, I am giving this the 2-try rule, and I'm going all in on the DCDM, the original OG entry. Stop, same place, up above the 13.3 cross, which is above those 2 green lines right there. Start going up there. Yeah, whatever. We are back to... Again, red side. What we should see on a grinder day is this overextended continuation nonsense. It just keeps on going and going in that direction. It's a pain in the ass to get into, but then it just goes and goes and goes. Whatever the direction of the nerd may be. Maybe. It may be the DCDM for the save, or it may just call me a red day today. We've had really good days. And quite frankly, like, I started in the no list mood today. I was definitely not in the mood dealing with legal idiots and delays and all kinds of other nonsense. What do they say about justice delayed? Back to neutral. We neutralized twice. Are you kidding me? Come on, bull trap that. Just grab these guys and slam them down, bro. Come on, we ain't got no time for that. Justice delayed is justice denied. Yeah, that's what it feels like. Oh, but they'll still send you the bill. They're like, yeah, we suck. We can't do anything on time. But oh, by the way, we're still charging you by the hour. Yeah, bill not delayed. Right. Yeah, that's the... There we go. Back to short side. Who's holding this thing up? All right, so there's a cross. I should be adding to that position, but I'm not going a full 40 here. I'm still want to mitigate some of my red here. It's 241. Plenty of time to do it. We are... I like to enter in on it when we hit a red, but we just, what is this popping red, neutral, red, neutral, red, neutral? What is this? What is this nonsense? Come on, bro. Oy vey. Yes, I have learned quite a number of things about the justice system or the injustice system and legal in general throughout these legal adventures, that is for sure. They will take their sweet time on your dime. Ten seconds till the 45. Might be something on a move here, and hope it doesn't switch back to neutral. I'd like to see this thing go strong sell and get the Dow involved. With this amount of speed, I'm about to just switch over to NQ purely. Not enough movement here. Make a go there. It's at king timing. Just do it. Make the go at king timing. It's 2:49. You got 20 seconds till the 50. Let's go. Wrong way, bro.
Double delta NQ on the 3. Enigma short on the EM2. Fib.em on the 1.
Get that out of here. No power dot right there. No power dots right here. Come on now, bro. Now tip it. It's S1 here. You ran up all day. You got them all trapped up top. Finish this thing off. Let's go. We got no time for this nonsense. Blue power dot getting respected. All right. I'm gonna peel half here, and this is what I see. I would love this to start coming in here, touch into my moon. Like, basically, it's over if we go above this moon, okay? But I will bet very strongly that we are going to stay under this enigma. This is a moonshot short on the twos, and I want that sucker to go. That is what I am all in for. Come up, give me a moon touch, pop up a little more, come into the king timing. But I want you to give me those 20 ticks. I want that 20 ticks. That's what I want right there. I'm going to put this up top, move NQ out of the way. It's a slow motion beast over there. And let's see if it's going to give it to me. I'm going to do always on top here, or the top side. And go top left here. Give me a moon touch. Where's the open line? Why am I missing the open line on here? Oh, it's way up there. I mean, they're not... I mean, they could. They could try to get this to positive on the day. That's a long way up there if that's what the whole plan is. MACV Ultimate still sitting in moderate sell. So we've got 3 of the nerds short. 1 is long. Which one of them is long? I wonder. So it wouldn't let me get my contracts off that I wanted to. Didn't fill me. Gotta love that. And was able to take off partials, but not as much of the partials I wanted to. Gotta love that. And I don't believe the pop-up move, so I added into that position as it came up, and we'll see if we readdress and reach that bottom or not to maximize what I get out of this position, or if it is just going to be one of those like, no, Vinny, not today. It's not happening, bro. You've been having too big a days. It's time to give some back. You know that $22,000 day you had yesterday? Yeah, it's time to give a little bit of that back today. 303. Top of the hour.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
Is the paint dry already? Right? My goodness. Got the whole plaster of Paris completed by now.
Divergence up EM on the 8th.
That red line is low of day. Is it going to get it, or are they going to land right in front of it? That is the question. Yikes. Cross split reversal here. There is a shark tail right in the way. Is it going to get respected or not? We're still sitting neutral. How are we still neutral right now? Where is the red? My goodness. Have I mentioned I hate these kind of days? Have I mentioned that? Have I mentioned this? So, cross split reversal, this is likely going to return up. That's the low of day right there. They're holding it a couple of ticks. Look at it. Look at them all. Look at them all. Trying to smash through it, and they are holding it right there. Not going to give me my profits. They don't want to let me bust through. I am betting that they do, but That is a tough spot. We're still sitting neutral. How? How are we split? Two nerds down, two nerds up. Are you kidding me? Who's up? What's our time? 3:12. NQ and RTY are both up. My goodness.
Double delta EM on the 1.
I'm not going to call that out and jinx myself, but I think you see the play. Finally, red. Can we get all of them to go? There's 3 down. Can we get 4?
Double delta EM on the 1. Double delta NQ on the 3.
Okay, finally, all 4 instruments of the nerd are in agreement. Finally, strong sell. Looking for an opposing signal here. Under low of day. Created a new low of day moments ago. Grinder, no rewinder type of day. Hate them. I'm sure I haven't mentioned that yet in the last 3 days.
Lower bands touch EM on the 26. Double delta EM on the 1. Lower bands touch EM on the 26.
5 minutes till the bottom of the hour. I mean, I'll be honest, it helps when I just made 22 grand yesterday. I mean,
Lower bands touching
it does.
26.
You're like, I mean, let's see. Let's push it. And sometimes it gets you, sometimes it doesn't. And if it's going to be another one of these grinder stupid days, we have, thank goodness for ALGOBOX, it told me this was going to happen this morning. Imagine not knowing this was going to happen. Like, how much would that have sucked?
Double delta EM on the 4.
Yeah, no, it wasn't. It's just one of those you just have to deal with. You just know it's going to be there and you have to play it a certain way. I mean, I hate it. There's the prior low. We cracked the prior low. Now, are we going to flirt around with it? Maybe. Hopefully we don't just bounce right off of it, but whatever. I had to give it a shot. I didn't say I had to, but wanted to. I may regret not taking that off there at prior low. Thank you, Sereno. Yeah, well, now it's only about a minute and a half till the bottom of the hour, yeah.
Lower bands touch EM on the 26.
"45 seconds till the bottom of the hour."
J-hook long EM on the 1.
My monitor just cut off. What the F?
Fib.em on the 1.
So we're going so slow right now that my OLED monitor just turned off. That's always lovely. It's like, oh, the pixels aren't moving. Let me turn off your monitor for you. Oh, yes, please. That's exactly what I want you to do. Please, yes. Turn off my monitor. It's a great idea. Absolutely. Super smart idea. Why didn't I think of that? Idiots. I'm never buying an OLED ever again for a main driver. Absolutely stupid. Alright, I don't want any cross reversals here. I'm closing this up at 8,500. I wanted to go all the way to 10K, but dude, this thing is pissing me off. Like, if that cross were to pop up, you know how mad I would be from having held that whole thing out? Alright, I'm killing it. Even myself, I can't deal with it. And then I don't think that the OLED monitor turning off in the middle of it is helping me. Oh my word. Insane. Oh, chat disconnected too? What is this? Yeah, the monitor. You have one job. Do your job. How about stay on while I'm working? Oh, I'm a smart monitor. I'm super smart. Look, see this disconnected thing? We got disconnected too? Like, what is this about? Chat disconnected. This is... Thank you. Oh yeah, just what I need. Technical issues while I'm over here trying to drive 10K. I was trying to mentally hold that, dude. I couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. I do not have the mental fortitude of what I probably need, because I bet you this thing's going to keep going. Here comes prior low. Let's see how the response comes in at the prior low, but rode that sucker all the way out. 84.95. Let's see. We got a half hour to get to 10K. You guys think we can do 10K? If you think I can do 10K, type it there in the chat. Get me motivated right now. I need to crank up the jams. Hold on, man. I gotta... We need to take a breath here after this torture. All right, wake me up here. Let's go. My goodness. I'm turning up my speakers. All right, y'all think we can do it? I don't know if there's enough coffee in the world to wake me up from that. Dude, that totally put me to sleep. Riding the grinding. Ride the grind. My goodness.
Double delta aim on the 2. Lower bands touch 2026.
Oh, that's right. It is that time of year, isn't it?
Fib dot aim on the 1.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Has somebody been a good boy this year? Somebody's been a good boy. I'm not sure who it was. Probably not me. I'm not sure. Let's look around the horn. I'm pretty sure that one should count as 3 winners, should it not?
Fib dot aim on the 1.
All right, let's go up here, top left. Let's get serious here. Okay, so see that there's that cross. Okay, we popped up into a ready up. This is where I should probably reinitiate a short here. What's our time? 3:35. We're still on strong sell. What I'd like to see is us pop up to like moderate sell, jump into a play on a moderate sell, then ride it into strong sell. And the reason I'm saying that, let's come down here to the bottom left. Bottom left. Merry Christmas indeed. Pablo buying me some coffee. You know what? I do have a coffee over here. I bet it's cold by now. I'm going to try it. Oh, this is really disgusting, isn't it? Oh, cold coffee. Gross. Oh, okay. I did it. I tried it. Let me turn this music down just a bit here. Man, oh man, here we go. Okay, there we go. Moderate sell. All right. Okay, now let's see. Now give me something here. This is an HMD here. Give me a cross. Give me something RTOFA. Give me a cross. Give me an Alpha Omega. Give me an Enigma here.
Double delta aim.
That'll work. That'll work. All right. Let's see. Stop above the ready up. We end up popping up to S1. I mean, we do have this triple ready up over here, so we know what could happen here, right? If the market's playing normal, which it's not today because it's the grinder day, because we identified it from this morning, we have a triple ready up here that tells us this is a Titanic zone potential for a big turning point reversal. So we have to be careful of that. It is end of day, and you know how it is. They can get wild. So got a Super Gartley short with an HMD. Well, the HMD is off because the dot broke. So unfortunately, that's not part of the play anymore. I don't have the HMD, but it is a Super Gartley. Stop above the ready up there. And I need to get to 1500. So I'm going to grab a bracket here and let's see what that tells me. How do I get to 1500? Put up my bracket and let's see if my position details. Oh my word, are my position details not working? Why is my position details not working? Seriously? I'm pressing F5. I swear, if this hangs me up, I'm about to be so pissed. There we go. Okay, that's 1800 there. 1500. Where's 1500 at? That's 1600. Well, to be safe, oh my goodness, look at that. I basically have to hit prior low to be able to get to 10K. My goodness. And it feels like they're going to try to pusher here. Moderate sell. Please don't go neutral. Those are very nice looking stair steps. Don't like that. You know the deal. Stairway to heaven. But it's a grinder day. So I'm expecting we just keep going and going and going. No reversals. No Quincy's, no takebacks. Trying to play it that way. It's done me well so far. Up 8,500 on the day. Is it there to stay though? We don't know. It's not yours till you wrap it up. All right, we got 5 seconds till 340. Should put us 10 minutes from the 350 Algo insanity. Trying the Super Gartley here. There's the cross we need. Come on, drop it. Drop it like it's hot. I don't think I've had a chance to mention yet that I hate these kind of days. I know. Must be first time I've ever told you guys. Probably shocker. Yeah. Boo. Okay, Super Gartley. Fail. What's our time? 3:45. Let's remove some lines. There's target 3 on that J hook right up above. Three minutes till the 350 algo wildness. So, is that a little tiny bull trap? Let's find out here any moment. Watch it in queue over here, see if it's going to do something fun for us.
Double delta EM on the 1.
Okay, here we go. Ready up. Let's go neutral and we get long, or are we gonna have the actual down move? Let's see. I mean, we should be getting the short side. Let's find out. We are red on a cluster day. We should continue. It's 3:48. 2 minutes till lucky sevens. I'm sorry. 350 algo. One minute, 15 seconds. $45 seconds. Closing out my in-queue short right there. So close. We are so close. Here comes the 350 algo. 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Lower bands touch EM on the
$500 away. I'm going to grab a tiny ATM. We went strong sell. That play on NQ, we got about 15 seconds or so. Short here to there, relatively easy. Here comes the 350 algo though. You know it can shake it up. This could, here go right now. 350 algo right now. Here it comes. I need 500 bucks to get to 10K on the day. Is it gonna give it to me? Here's the 350 algo. It's do or die right now. Listening for audio box. Don't trap me. Give me my 500 bucks. Give it to me. Hit that prior low. 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 Come on. You still got a ways to go. Don't do it to me now. Give it to me. Get there. Don't toy with me. No, cross. Don't do it. Don't you do it. Nope. The prior low ho, not gonna do it. All right, back up into the ready up areas. Let's see. Again, I am basically just, there's my red dot. Taking it again. Adding to position. Gotta close it above the dot. Red dot is only structure, but we do have... Oh, is this going to be a trapper? It's going to be a trapper keeper? It's going to be a trapper keeper? Or are you going to hand it to me?
Double delta EM.
No. No.
EM on the 1.
Come on, super dot me. Super dot me, you got me, come on. Come on, fake him up, drop him down. Fake him up, drop him down, let's go. I'm taking off this ATM, it's too crazy here. Headshot short. Come on. Come on. Do it for daddy. Let's go. Selling the cross. It is a headshot short. Is it going to give it to me at the end of the day? Don't shift now on me. I don't think I've mentioned yet, but I was going to say, you know, I really hate these kind of days. I know I haven't said that yet today, but I just want to make sure if you haven't heard it, you know, first time to tell you guys, really hate these kind of plays, these types of days, the grinder rewinders, you know what I'm saying? This is an SCR here with a super headshot. This should be the play of the end of the day here. Lucky sevens, the trap is there. So lucky sevens, I should be able to hold to the final 7 minutes. Let's see if it's going to do it or not. The trap is here. I don't know if I can type. So then Lucky Sevens says we play against that trap. Second trap could be considered here, and I should be able to hold it for the final 7 minutes if we're going to play it out like a Lucky Sevens. Split cross reversal, that's right, SCR. Please break that Gartley, thank you very much. There's my 10K. I'm holding it further because I'm stupid. Touch prior low. Keep dropping it there for me. 10,500 right here, but I think it's got a little more for me. I could be wrong, but I think she's got some more in her. Come on, drop her out, bro. Drop her out. Just let it go. Just let it go. Let it go, bro. There you go. Let it go. Just let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go, bro. Hold. We got 5 minutes for the Lucky Sevens hold. 5 minutes for the Lucky Sevens hold. If I'm going to hold, if I'm going to get lucky today, we're about to find out. There we go. All right, I'll peel half in the crab. And now I will hold the rest until the end of the day, baby. There's 40.
On the 2.
She going to give me 50 ticks today? I don't know. We'll see. Lucky Sevens holding till the close. The close comes in 4 minutes. Up 12,645 at the moment. Are they gonna flirt with it and keep it above the prior low? I don't know. Try and hold for Lucky Sevens here, but it is about being lucky. On a scenario like this, it's literally you're going with, am I gonna get lucky? I want to see where I was out before. Okay, so right about there. So anything below that, I'm doing better. I like to kind of know how I'm doing in my trade.
Double delta NQ on the 3. Fib.em on the 1.
If I was fast enough, I could have added on that red dot, but that one happened real fast.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
Would have got me to 15. I was looking for a spot where I could get to 15 contracts. 15 is a nice, juicy number. Fortunately, the market does not listen to us. We just have to predict her and ride her.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
With the stats we know.
Double delta EM on the 4.
15 seconds. I'm going to close it. All right, 15 seconds. I didn't hold all the way, but whatever. I saw divergence come in over here. Yeah, I'm not playing around with that. I'm going to keep my 10K on the day. 11,700. There's the close. Could get short again right there if I wanted to, but you know, I mean, you can only do so much showing off in a day. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's a little bit too much showing off, so getting a little heady there. All right, folks, it is I don't know if you guys caught on to it or not, but it's Christmas. And it is the last time to get Enigma. Enigma is gone on January 1st, 2025. Might want to hook that up. Best price ever. Thanks for hanging out. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mosswad, Curtis G, and Eddie B, I am sending out the Big H-Town. See ya. Our team, why don't you go ahead and show the new folks how it's done.
The old adage where, you know, the individual investor doesn't have a chance because the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, you know, more money and better opportunity, I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use they have better front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.
Forex is littered with crooks, black hat guys, all this kind of shifty characters and companies trying to extract money from your pocket and stick it into theirs. And one of the things that they do is operate these Forex signals.
Double delta EAM on the 2.
Delta 5 loading. Long. Look for a long. Harmonic pattern. Pick up. Depth on freeze. Order filled. Target filled. Audio Jungle.